So I find this pretty funny, right? Came out all the way to Clyattville, Georgia to catch the Valdosta Railway. And I did not expect to be stuck at a crossing for the Valdosta Railway for 10 minutes. But here I am. Well, maybe I'll get to go across this time. Just in case you're curious, they're switching that plant over there, which makes cardboard boxes. So
This is the Valdosta Railway, which only has 14 miles of track with a top speed of 20 miles per hour, but they move a lot of freight. As you see here, the railroad is switching the Packaging Corporation of America, which makes cardboard.